So now, when we added 45 to 23 using the learning tools, what answer did we get? We have already looked at it and we know the method of doing it. Now, if we want to leave the TLMs and use the square line book to do it, how can I do it? It can be done in the representation stage. Representation in the CRA method. The concrete stage, representation stage, and abstract stage. These terms are used only for teachers' knowledge. It is not advisable to tell this to the children. If you ask the children to show something in the representation stage, the word belongs to a higher standard and it is not a kind of term that the children can understand easily. Therefore, teachers kindly keep this in mind. Now, to begin with, I will show 45. We are already aware of the method using the place value concept. Let us look at it. 45. That means 4 tens and 5 ones. Let us write it. And here we have to write 23. Once we add these, the answer can be written here. This is 23. 45. How many tens? 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to add them. Let us add them. How did we do it in the concrete form? We touched the TLMs and counted them 1, 2, 3. The same way, let us do it here. We have to do it the same way here. The terminology, actions, and the action words that we used in the concrete stage will have to be used here. Children should not develop a feeling that they got to play in the concrete method and they are only calculating while using the book. Because of this reason, whatever was followed in the concrete stage has to be repeated here. What did we do there? We added both these. How is the addition done? I'm adding these using the forward counting. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. I will write these 8 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us now see how many tens are there. We will count these as well. What do you do when I ask you to count? You draw a circle around them for you to know that you have counted them. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. What did we do here? We have added 2 tens from the 23 to the 4 tens of 45. When these were added, how much did we get? We got 6 tens. These 6 tens will be written here. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. So, in this tens house, how many rooms are filled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rooms are filled. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 68 is the answer. How did we get this? We got this sum by adding 45 and 23. The abstract stage also will have the same process. Let us write the table first. Units, tens. The textbook contains a similar table. Let us first write the first number, that is 4 tens and 5 units. Below that is 2 tens and 3 units. We are adding these two numbers, starting with the units. we have to add 5 units and 3 units. We got 8 units. And adding 4 tens, 2 tens gives us 6 tens. This is how we do the addition column wise, starting from top to bottom in the abstract stage. Or this is how addition is depicted in the abstract stage. In the concrete stage, we had done the addition in this way also, right? That is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Meaning, we did the addition in a horizontal pattern. Following this method of writing, it is advisable while adding single digit numbers. But when the place value occurs, if we follow the pattern of writing the place value table, it will be very easy for the children to understand. The horizontal method can be used for the first and second standard students. They will understand it very easily. But once they are aware of the place value, following pattern is advisable.